In this video, we will show you how to insert and customize star shapes. All the ready-made shapes are located in the Shapes section. The icon of the last used shape is visible in the Shapes section. To select the star shape, place the mouse cursor on top of the Shapes section and click on the star shape. Now that the tool is active, you can adjust the options for the shape before you draw it. You can define the number of rays, define the ray size percentage, and the start angle. Click and drag to define the position and size of the inserted star. Once you release the mouse, the shape is finalized and the tool remains active, so that you can add as many stars as you like. Right-click to release the tool when you're done. When the inserted star shape is selected, you can still edit its options using the tool's options bar. You can also edit the star using the node editor. When starting the node editing mode, you can see that the star shape has only some special nodes. This one can be used to adjust the ray size, while using this one you can change the start angle. This one can be used to change the size and proportion of the shape as easily as you designed it. Finally, this node at the center can be used in order to reposition the star shape. If you want to manually edit the shape of the star, you first need to convert it into curves. After you have converted it into curves, these special nodes are no longer available.